Managing recurring revenue tracking in Monday.com is key for many businesses, especially those handling subscriptions or long term contracts. But as you dive into Monday.com, you might realize there are both strong points and some key limitations that can make this process more complicated than it seems. Let's break it down quickly so you can decide if Monday.com is the best option for you and your team, or if you might want to explore other platforms to streamline this crucial task. First up, Monday.com does offer a variety of templates and boards that can help you track recurring revenue. You can create custom workflows to monitor your subscription payments, contract renewals, or any other recurring payments that are essential to your business. The platform is highly customizable, which means you can set up your board to track specific revenue streams, whether that's monthly, quarterly, or annual subscriptions. However, it can be a bit time-consuming to manually adjust every single board or create automation for each individual use case, especially if you have a lot of clients. Next, Monday.com allows you to integrate with other tools, and that's a big plus. For instance, you can sync your revenue data with financial software like QuickBooks or Stripe through integrations. This means once a payment is made, the software can automatically update your revenue tracking boards, saving you time. But here's the thing, even though the integrations work, they don't always provide the smoothest experience. Sometimes you have to manually refresh or trigger syncs, which can disrupt the seamless experience you might be looking for in tracking recurring revenue. It's not terrible, but it's not as automated as it could be. The third thing to consider is the lack of advanced financial reporting features that some other tools offer. While Monday.com does provide some basic reporting, it's not specifically tailored to recurring revenue management. You'll find yourself exporting data to other tools or manually building out complex reports within Monday's dashboard, which can be tedious. And for businesses that rely heavily on recurring revenue, this can lead to extra work or even errors. Next thing, let's talk about automations. Monday.com does have automations that can remind you of upcoming payments, contract renewals, or other key dates. You can set up reminders to ensure you don't miss important milestones in your revenue cycle. But the customization of automations, especially around recurring payments, can sometimes feel like you're hacking together a solution rather than using a built-in feature designed for the task. The learning curve is manageable, but you might need extra effort to get everything working just right. The fourth thing is collaboration features. If your team needs to work together on revenue tracking, Monday.com excels here. You can easily assign tasks, add comments, and share progress. However, the software's communication tools are more project-based, which means tracking the flow of recurring revenue between departments or clients can be harder to organize. It's definitely possible to make it work, but again, it's not perfectly optimized for finance teams managing subscriptions. Now, let's take a step back and think about alternatives. While Monday.com offers a broad set of tools, it's not always the best fit for companies specifically looking to streamline recurring revenue tracking. So, what else is out there? Well, there are specialized tools designed with recurring revenue in mind that offer better integrations, more robust reporting, and automated tracking. These tools can save you significant time and effort, especially if you're running a subscription-based business. And here's the best part. I've linked to a software that can help you track recurring revenue much more efficiently than Monday.com with an exclusive extended free trial. Not only will you get an amazing free trial, but this tool has features that are directly focused on recurring revenue, no hacks or workarounds necessary. It's the best choice for businesses that rely on subscription-based income. So, if you want to take the next step in streamlining your recurring revenue management, check out the link below for that exclusive offer. And if you're still set on Monday.com, I've also included a comparison with other platforms to help you make the best choice for your business.